Sesiqongolweni seJohannesburg eAuckland Park emzimkhulu SABC kulapho sizirhatsha ukusuka khona indabezi.
This ruling is not just a victory for the EFF, it is a victory for the people of South Africa. It is a victory for the rule of law. It is a victory for the poor and working class who would have suffered greatly under the VAT increase.
I-Democratic Alliance ne-EFF zisamkele isahlulelo sekhotho iphakemeko eTjingalanga Kapa ngokujanyiswa kokukhutshulwa kwe-VAT.
Every minute, every hour, it's like months, it's like years. You know, every minute that goes by, please God, help us find our kids.
Bakhuluma kabuhlungu abantu beBloemfontein ngokunyamalala kwamapholisa amathathu. Bathi nakwazi ukunyamalala amapholisa alobona bayini.
Namoya wa ka sontsana o senyehile ke bone ha potla loka. O bona tla loka. A ke tsebe maybe kabelo ha ka tshwara maybe ke mo ke tla thola peace teng.
Ababelethi babafundi enkolweni ze-Orange Farm bathi basala babambe inhliziyo ngesandla abantwana nabaya esikolweni ngombana kuyaliwa. Ngeholiday ehle enganamakhaza siyalotshisa begodu siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele. Kinguthulani Bongwe akwande msika baba. Ukomitshara weziko elibuthelela umthelo iSARS uEdward Kisweta uthi isahlulelo esikhutshwe ekhotho ephakemeko eTjingalanga Kapa siletha umkhanyo ngomthetho womthelo we-VAT. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi ikhotho ikhuphe umlayo sicabo ojamisa ukukhutshulwa kwe-VAT nge-0.5% ngomhla ka-1 kuMrhayili. Isimangalo sifakwe yi-DA ne-EFF ekhotho.
uKisveter uthi isiqundo sekhotho nge-VAT njenganje siyakhanya ngombana umlayo wekhotho lo uvumela abaphathi beSARS baphathe kuhle ngehlangothini le-VAT begodu bavikele nababhadeli bomthelo. uKisveter uthi uvulekele imibono ehlukahlukeneko yesabelo semali engavela.
And I don't want to preempt where the minister will conclude, but I know, having spoken to the minister, that we have to have an absolute open mind and consider all possibilities.
Umnyango wezemali uhlatshwe kumbi ngehlangothini lokufuna ukuphumelelisa umthetho womnotho wepahla isection 74 eyenze ungqongqotjhe wezemali aphakamise indaba yokukhutshulwa kwe-VAT nakethula isabelo semali ngaphambi kobana eParliamente ivote le indaba le. Isazi sezomnotho uMyelane Mkhabela uthi abathengi balimala khulu naziza ekukhutshulweni komthelo wepahla kanti uyahlathulula ukuthi abathengi bebazokubetheka kangangani nangathana indaba yokukhutshulwa kwe-VAT ke yaphumelela.
Employees or workers earning 10,000 at 5% additional 0.5% additional VAT, it could be 50 rand. For 20,000 employees it gets to be 100 rand, and for 30,000 employees it has to be around 150, and for 40,000 it is getting into around 200. For 50,000 it is around 250, and then for 60,000 around 300, and for 100,000 it is around 500 in rand.
Amaziko wembalobalo nawo athaphose ilihlo khulu phezu kwetuthuko yeSouth Africa nomnotho wakhona. Abathengi bayeleliswa ngokuthi batsheje nabathengako ukusukela mhla ilanga lilinye ngenyanga ezako begodu bafune imali zabo nayikhibe islip sitshengisa ukuthi umthelo wepahla uku 15.5%.
Senjalo iParliamente ithi ngokungena esivumelwaneni nenhlangano zepolitiki ngomlayo siqabo wekhotho omalungana nokuhoqiswa kokukhutshulwa komthelo wepahla nokudla iVAT akutsho bona ikambiso elandelwe ekuthomeni nakwamukela isabelo imali beyingekho emthethweni nokuthi ikambiso elandelweko beyijikeme. iParliamente ithi isiqundo sokuthi kufunyelelwe esifinyelwane nesi ibangelwe kutshejwa kwezinto ezitsha ezivelako.
The minister earlier withdrew the Division of Revenue Bill as well as the Appropriation Bill and introduced the Rates and Monetary Amounts and Amendment of Revenue Laws Bill, which maintains the VAT rate at 15%. This moment of consensus demonstrates the strength of South Africa's constitutional democracy and the ability of its institutions to resolve complex matters through dialogue, cooperation, and respect for due process.
Alliance ibuka isiqundo sekhotho ephakemeko yeKapa njengesitho yamlando ngokukhandela ukukhutshulwa kweVAT. iDA ibawe ikhotho ukuthi iqedelele msinya ngekwendinyana leyo yezomthetho ngombana isection 74 yomthetho wemthelo inikela ungqongqotshe amandla amakhulu. Isiqundo sekhotho sihlathulula ukuthi lesi sivumelwano esathathwa ngomhla ka2 kusihlabantangana nakuhlangene izindlu embili zeParliament zesibetha mthetho sokuphasisa iVAT sibekelwa eqadi. iDA ichijile ukuthi isivumelwano sokukhutshulwa kweVAT akhange siphasiswe ngendlela efaneleko. Yeke asikwazi ukuragela phambili sinjalo.
The passing of the fiscal framework through Parliament was unlawful, and the court has found that, and that has also been made an order of court. So now the VAT increase won't come into play on the 1st of May, and we can get on with redoing the fiscal framework.
Kanti umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema nabekade akhuluma nababika indaba eJohannesburg namhlanje usamukele isahlulelo sekhotho. Wahlathulula ukuthi abosomabhizinisi bebakudosa emhlweni bebasebenzisa amabhiliyoni amaranda okubhadela umthelo odurileko ozobafaka ngaphasi kwegandelelo. Uthi kusela ukuthi kwethilwe isabelo mali esihle ngovela bahlinze.
It is a victory for the people of South Africa. It is a victory for the rule of law. It is a victory for the poor and working class who would have suffered greatly under the VAT increase. It is important to emphasize the court judgment does not validate the side shows and political chances that occurred outside Parliament by disparate parties seeking relevance.
ICOSATU nayo isamukele isahlulelo sekhotho.
Ihlangano i-Economic Freedom Fighters ikhuphe iseleliso esibukhali esiya ku-ANC bona ilise kubarhadumejela ngecala. Iseleliso somholi wehlangano le uJulius Malema siza ngemva kokuthi ihlangano le ne-DA isiphumelele ngesimangalo sazo ekhotho ephakemeko eTjingalanga Kapa ngendaba yomthelo weVAT. I-EFF beyaphakamisa nokuthi ungqongqotjhe wezemali nomnqophisi wakhe abathokoze inkundla ngokubhalelwa ukwethula isabelo semali.
Ideology has no color. Ideology is the mindset. We can leave the DA, but I'm not sure if MKP and EFF are better options. They are so aggressive and hostile against the ANC. So it's like choosing a devil and also but run into the fire.
La magama kasihlalo we-ANC zombelele umjaphethe kamengameli uGwede Mantashe akhaphuhle i-Economic Freedom Fighters. uJulius Malema uyelelisa i-ANC ukuthi elisukusunduzela i-EFF eqadi ngombana nayisemrarweni igijimela ku-EFF izokubawa isizo. Ukungaphasiswa kwesabelo semali gcine kubangela bona i-EFF ne-ANC zikhulumisana ngendlela ekungaphasiswa ngayo isabelo semali nangokuhlelwa ngobutsha kwakahulumende webumbano.
You know, they must not just speak loosely. You know, things are not working. Eh? You don't just speak like you have power from devil to fire, whatever. They are going to pass a motion of no confidence there in Parliament. What is Gwede going to do? He's going to go to fire. That fire will not be fire because you now want it to support you in defense of the president. It will be water now.
Umholi we-EFF uyelelisa nangokuthi iSouth Africa izokuba nomengameli olikhuwa duze nje nayikhibi ANC iragela phambili nokuzikhukhumeza. Mvanje i-EFF seyizibiza ngehlangano ephikisa ngokusemthethweni elizweneli ngenxa yokungabonakala kwe-MK Party ekuchijileni isabelo semali nendaba yomthelo wepahla.
Ukomitjhinara wamapholisa uFane Masemula uthi umuntu ozokuzanga phambili nelwazi elamalungana nokunyamalala kwamapholisa amathathu uzokuthokozwa ngenkulungwana ezimakhulu-350 wamaranda. Masemula ukhombele umphakathi ukuthi usebenzisane namapholisa.
Kusungula isiqheme sokuphenya ukunyamalala kwamapholisa amathathu. Isiqheme sizokuphenya emfundeni endathu eFree State, eGauteng neLimpopo ekukulapha amapholisa labeka sebenzela khona. Amapholisa athi akafuna ukwenza ifundisela ngokunyamalala kwamapholisa la kodwana amapholisa amabili bekayingcenye yejima eliphenya ukumayina ngongemthetho eLimpopo i-Operation Valumgodi. ukomishina ramapholisa uFan Masemola uthi benza konke okusemandleni ukuthola amapholisa la kanti ngemva kokuthola kwawo kuzokufunwa nalabo abathindekayo ekunyamalالeni kwawo.
Will not, of course, allow these criminals to have an upper hand, and we cannot be undermined by these criminals. We will definitely do everything in our best.
uMasemola uthi ukunyamalala kwamapholisa la kwenza kube budisi khulu ebuthweni lamapholisa kodwa na ugandelela ukuthi lokhu akwehlisa isithunzi samapholisa kanti uvumile ukuthi zibonakala zandi izenzo zokuthumba elizweni limi. Imndeni yamapholisa iba ukuthi awabuyisa phila amapholisa la.
Every hour, it's like months, but like years. You know, every minute that goes by, please God, help us find our kids.
Knowing ngwana how always ha atsamaya for o dula a le mo fela mo founung ra bona ka di WhatsApp for okay o feta kae o dula a ankile phone ya hae a etsa ka WhatsApp for re tsama mo plekeng itseng re fitla mo plekeng itseng, you see. So now how so bona for man busiu bu fitile. Well, I can say gore maybe busiu na nagana gore okay my parents are asleep, let me not bother them.
But then I believe with their team and their units, they will do their level best to bring them alive. That's all I pray for, just to bring back my wife alive.
Amapholisa athi akakwazi ukuveza imininingwane yephenyo begodu bayelelisa abantu ukuthi bacheja bakusabalalisa enkundleni zokuthindana.
Nasibuya entolo.
They're supposed to have proper securities at the school, armed guards, you understand? To protect the schools.
The budget will not allow us to do that.
Amaklasi wesikolo iRivali eJohannesburg atshiya lodwa. Izakhamuzi zithi uhulumende akabeka bogade enkolweni. Otona uyalandula uhulumende uthi into engekho imali. Ubukele indaba zesindebele ku SABC1 nazikuphundileko ziyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Bahlalela evalweni ababelethi benkolo ze-Orange Farm eSewula eJohannesburg okulandela ukwanda kwezihlakalo zokuguduzela enkolweni. Minyaka nje abafundi basahlala nabodwa enkolweni bagcina babulelene. Isahlakanweni samva nje umfundi ka grade 11 uhlatshwa ngomukhwa ngomunye umfundi ngaphakathi kwesikolo.
Wakahlatshwayo ukhulelwe ihloko bonyana iyokugcina ithiweni indaba yokuguruzela okuzipha amandla enkolweni ze-Orange Farm. Umsana walapha ekhaya usinenhlanhla hlatshwayo kuthiwa uhlatshwe ngomukhwa ngomunye wabafundi wambulala. Okubhlungu ukuthi uphume kwabo njengemhleni akhange kube nethwayo lokuthi angekho asabuya.
Namoya wa ka sontsana o senyehile ke bona ha potla loka. O bona tla loka. A ke tsebe maybe kabelo ha ka tshwara maybe ke mo ke tla thola mpisi teng. Kozona jale nje hayi akusobe right moyeng at all.
Bevulana indlela secondary school nabo bahlalele evalweni okulandela isehlakalo sokuhlatshwa ngomukhwa ngomunye wabafundi emvekeni ezimbili ezidluleko.
Akekho umzali othumela umntana wakhe esikolweni ukuthi ayogwaza omnye umntwana or umzali athumela umntwana wakhe esikolweni ukuthi ayogwazwa.
Secondary school naso ngesinye isikolo esikhahlunyezwa imiguruguru. Abafundi bakhona basahlole isiqhema samagenge emhlapha nje azingenele ngaphakathi kwesikolo esi.
Umphakathi walana Orange Farm ukhathazeke kakhulu. Umphakathi uze waphuma ubona ukuthi ngeke simele lento lokuthi sizohlukunyezwa izigebengu izingane sizenze izigebengu.
Ithi nomnyango wezefundo abasakhoni ukuyilalisela amehlo.
Dispatch some security officials in some of the schools, but that is not sustainable because of the financial constraints that we are experiencing. So we will not be in a position to perpetually continue to provide the security in schools.
Izakhamuzi ze-Orange Farm zithi angekhe zihlale nje kwaphela zibukele amaziko ekufanele akhe ingomuso labantwana babo aphendula isitiki sepi.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngemgudugudu yamagenge enkolweni nokulimazana kwabafundi. Asize umbono wakho mbukeli.
Ubhlungu nongumzali uthi umntwana wakho usesikolweni nozwa uzwa indaba ezibhlungu umntwana wakho akasabuye ekhaya.
Nabazali bebheka abantwana before baphuma emakhaya bababheka ukuthi abaphethe ekhaya yini.
Kuhle azange akhule ngokuyalwa niloko nje kwenza ukuthi bese kuba inkinga noma safika kuma secondary abe yinkinga. Lo muntu loyo kuhle usafuna ukuthi ayolaywa ngikhabo.
Ngoqasho nogadi abagadi ezikolweni engamane kusenzeka into ezibhlungu ngolhlobo.
Kuze kuphele yonke lemikhuba makubuyelwe ezikolweni kuthandazwe.
Kubhlungu kakhulu ukuthi uze ukuthi ingane ifele esikolweni. Bengicabanga ukuthi indawo nayo ayivikele isikole.
Umnyango wezemfundo nayo ngathi ubungaqinisa ezokuphepha bezikole kuqashe onogada abantu labazikwazi ukumelana nabafundi.
Ingane nengane engenawo bayasikhutha isikhwama sawo bayikhutha emzimbeni bayacheck ukuthi na asikho isilimazo yini esiphethe.
Umbono wonke umbukeli SABC ayizokuthwasa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Izazi zefundo zithi inkulisa kunye nefundo yamabanga phasi kuqakathekile ukuqinisa zefundo nokujugulula imphumela. Izazi zihlangene ukuyokukhulumisana ngendaba ezihlukahlukeneko embizweni yezefundo ye-G20 ebanjelwe eWhite River eMpumalanga.
Ituthuko yezefundo ithoma lapha. Inkulisa kunye nefundo yamabanga phasi kuqakatheke kakhulu ebantwaneni bonke.
Early childhood development is so important, especially because one, it actually creates the foundation needed for foundational literacy, numeracy, and or other skills in the future. The second point is because it creates efficiency and effectiveness.
Ifunda ipheli khulukhulu kubatithere kanti bakhuthaza abantu bazikhaliphise ngamakhono ofunda amatsha.
4R is with us, and how we align our policies and our practices for a future that's largely unknown. So what is it that we do and what should we be doing for teachers, and what are the kinds of skills that learners need to have, and the skills that teachers need to be equipped.
Ayaraga amahlelo kwethula technology ngenkumbeni zokufundela.
In total we'll be issuing 98,000 laptops here for grade 10 learners here in Mpumalanga. So we are ready, and we think that this interaction, this festival of ideas that is going to take place here will assist us to shape the future of our children.
Kutokhulumisana ngalendzaba le litiko letemfundo lesilona lifuna kubuka yona yemfundo emabanga laphasi ngoba nasingaqinisa kahle imfundo lapha kulamabanga laphasi ikakhulukati kutibalo nekufunda.
Lindeleke bona zibambe imbizo yezifundo imfakela okuyokukhulunywa kunye nemphumela ezokuba khona iyokudenjwa embizeni enkulu ye-G20 ezokubanjwa ekupheleni komnyaka lo.
Abafundi abangaphezulu kwama200 besikolo samabanga aphakemeko iRivali Secondary eseJohannesburg kuzokufanele bona baje bafundela ngeholweni isikolo esikusukela ngevekeza ngoMvulo enkoloni nazivulwako. Lokhu kunjengoba namaklasi ali-11 wesikolo isachile ngesikhathi kulumatha umlilo esikoloni lesi izolo ebusuku. Nanyana kunjalo akukabikwa abantu abalimeleko begodu unobangela womlilo awaziwe bekube khathesi. Benganagada esikoloni lesi ngesikhathi kwenzeka isihlakalo lesi.
Hlangana namaklasi ali-11 achileko la mane wakhona bekasetshenziswa abafundi abama230 baka grade 8 kanamanye wakhona bekangasetshenziswa. Phezu kwalokho kubuye kwatsha bekonakala nendlu yokuzithuma yabesana nakulumatha umlilo lo. Imphathimandla zomnyango wezefundo eGauteng zivakatshele isikolo esinamhlanje sekuseni ukuyohlola ubujamo bomonakalo wenzekileko.
Interimly, we will accommodate them in a school hall, but we will then be fast-tracking the process of making sure that we have 4 mobile units, which will be then assisting us as an interim measure, while we will then be making sure that we then refurbished or rehabilitate the structure.
Beze sizolhabako eGauteng bathi kwakhathesi unobangela womlilo lo akaziwa. Izakhamuzi ezinye zithi batsho khe zabona abantu abathileko esikoleni apha ngaphambi kobana kulumathe umlilo. Zithi zisolwa imihwa yenilelesi emlilweni lo.
They're supposed to have proper securities at the school, armed guards, you understand, to protect the schools, because this thing has been going on long. We had a church here, Glory to Glory Ministry. Our church has been broken, was been broken 14 times, you understand. We tried everything.
Umabona uthi umnyango wezefundo angeze wahona ukuthi ubeka bogada enkolweni ngenxa yendaba yemali.
Budget will not allow us to do that. That is why we will normally target the schools that are in the high risk areas where there's prevalent criminal activities.
Iphenyo lisaragela phambili.
Sale akhona ubusayi nobujamo bezulu. Busayi ungaraga.
Siyathokoza Bongwe. Lochani mbukele ekhaya ngomvulo weholidays thembe ukuthi ilanga lakho likuphethe kuhle. Sibona lapha ke amafunga le ngekapa lodumo kanti ke phakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa awalivulile zinkomba zomoya lezi ozibonako. Kuthi ke ngale kubombombela ulithole izulu ngabo 30% lapha mathuba wezulu ke kanti sibona ke ikungu enengana enarheni yeSouth Africa nangapha ngekapa ikhona kanti ke nakhe amathutshana wezulu lapha ekapa nge30% nawuthi uyaqala ke izulu elake libuyele nangaphakathi ngesifunda sangaleke ngale ngelimpopo kanti ke ngapha ngePumalanga yesifunda sangale ngeKZN sibona lapha ke amathuba athi 60%. Sicala lapha amazinga okuchisa sithoma ngapha ngeGauteng ipholile eSprings, pholile eVereeniging nalapha eCarltonville lapha ePitori, eBronkhorstspruit kufuthumele nangeJohannesburg nge24 nasiya lapha esifundeni sangelimpopo sibona sona ke sifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuphole lapha eMgobane nePhulukwane nge23 sifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga sibonakala ke sipholile endaweni ezinengana lapha ke eMelo namkhane eGarlina kubonakala ngakumakhaza nakhona pheze imini yonke sikhukhuza sona ke sifuthumele nge25 degrees Celsius lapha ke kuMiddelburg nabomhlanga kupholile iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala ifuthumele kamnandi endaweni eziningi iRichards Bay nge28 Durban nayo ke nge28 uLundi nge27 iPumalanga Kapa ibonakala ke ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuphole lapha eGqeberhane eMaltswayi nge22 leya iTshingalanga Kapa ke ibonakala ke lapha endaweni zeCape Agulhas kumakhazana kezinye indawo kufuthumele kanti lapha kunye kupholile iTlhagwini Kapa ibonakala ifuthumele ke kizo zonke indawo Kimberley nge26 lapha eFreystata sisibona ke isifunda sipholile endaweni eziningi zangapho iBothaville efuthumeleko ngale nange Welcome iNorthwest ke yona ke sibona ifuthumele endaweni zakhona eziningi kamnanjazana lapha eMahikeng nge25 degrees Celsius asibona nekoti ngesikhathi esilandelako.